Achara Salad, Virgin Beach Style, is the title of our Virgin Beach Cebu blog, number 102. Hello everybody, I'm Ron Perry, and along with my wife Faye Perry, are the owners of Virgin Beach Resort, Malbago, Daanbantayan, Cebu, Philippines. We're still here in California because of the COVID, but hoping to be at the resort soon. We have an a la carte menu, and Achara Salad is there. This will show how we make it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now we're gonna show how we made our achara salad, and these are the ingredients. Of course, the scraping papaya, the vinegar and melted sugar, the bell pepper, ginger, carrots, and salt and pepper to taste. Now we're gonna do the mixing. First, we put the carrots. Second one is the ginger. And of course, the red bell pepper. And mix it all well. It's mixed already. Now we put the vinegar and sugar. And now we put the black pepper, then mix it well. Finally, a little bit of salt. Then mix it again. Now this is our final product of our achara salad.